The Wireless Bridge Kit CPE688KIT offers a comprehensive solution for network expansion, featuring a high-speed Wi-Fi 6 router and dual wireless bridges for seamless connectivity. With a remarkable point-to-point transmission range of 5 kilometers, this system ensures stable data transfer, making it ideal for remote offices or surveillance systems. Equipped with dual Gigabit Ethernet ports, the kit provides fast and reliable wired connections for devices requiring high-speed internet access. The system's Power over Ethernet capability simplifies installation by delivering both power and data through a single cable, reducing setup complexity. Designed for outdoor use, the wireless bridges boast an IP66 weather-resistant construction, ensuring durability against rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. Pre-configured for plug-and-play installation, the kit requires no advanced networking knowledge, making it accessible for users seeking to expand their network coverage effortlessly.